What's up guys, it's your boy Amgad, back to you with another video after a while. Yeah, and today we came back with 8 tips and tricks for your Android phone that I guarantee you didn't know about. Let's get right into it. Starting with pinning your apps. So if you use an Android phone and you have like a lot of apps in the background, you can simply lock them so they could be still in the RAM and the phone will not close your apps because they're already locked. So if the phone ever needs to close any app, the phone is gonna close the rest of the apps but not the locked ones. Next up is the lock screen signature. So we all lose our phones, right? And if you did, you're gonna love this feature. You can simply leave any contact information or any text basically on the lock screen of your phone. So in the case of you lost it or any of that, you can rely on a good person who can call that phone number or contact that email that you left and get your phone back. And if you're one of those people who get bored by typing down the email all over the place for signing in for apps and creating accounts and all of that stuff, you're gonna love this feature. So simply, you can create a small shortcut, even it could be letters, right? And it's gonna give you your whole email in a small little window that when you click on it, it's gonna type automatically your email instead of you typing down every single letter. Honestly, I love this feature. Next off is offline Google Maps. So if you ever be in a circumstance that you'll have no data connection or Wi-Fi connection, I'd love to tell you that you can download the maps and you can use them offline in these cases. If you're one of those people who use their phone at night, you're gonna like this feature because it simply lowers down the blue light that comes out of your phone or any screen basically, and it makes it lowered so it could be less harmful on your eyes. And if your phone struggles recognizing your fingerprint, you can simply add the same fingerprint of the same finger multiple times on the phone. So you can add it like 3 times or maybe 4 times and it will never have any problems recognizing your fingerprint again. The next tip is that for you guys, if you're one of those people who like to save battery, you can use dark mode on your phone. And if your phone has AMOLED screen or OLED screen, it's gonna basically save some battery because the black pixels on the AMOLED and OLED screen are turned off. So it's gonna save you some battery. Speaking of battery, if you want to get a higher charging speed, turn on airplane mode because the airplane mode saves even more battery because it turns off the data, the Wi-Fi, any wireless communication on your phone, so that saves battery and it's going to charge you faster because there's less battery consumption from the phone. That was it for me in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel to get even more awesome tips and tricks and tech videos. And by the way, I'm preparing for a review for this guy, so if you want to see it, consider subscribing. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, you're gonna see the link below. And if you like gaming, I recently created an account on Twitch, so if you like gaming and that stuff, I'm also gonna leave the link in the description below. And as always, I'll see you guys in the very next video.